Amazing results. How to use 3 kiwis to regulate the biggest disease today. Kiwis are awesome and we all love them, right? They're loaded with healthy nutrients and can provide many health benefits. Yes, you can regulate one of the biggest disease today's, hypertension, high blood pressure. Just take a look at the video and find out more about this. Kiwi fruit versus hypertension. Here's what you need to know. The kiwi fruit contains high amounts of potassium, which is extremely important for reducing the effects of sodium in the body. You should know that low potassium intake is a big risk factor in developing high blood pressure, as a high sodium intake. According to the latest statistics provided by the National Health and Nutrition Examination, less than 2% of U.S. adults meet the daily requirement of 4,700 mg recommendation for potassium. And high potassium intake is related with 30% lowered risk of dying from all causes. That's amazing, and all you have to do is consume more foods that contain high amounts of potassium, just like kiwi. Kiwi fruit versus heart health. As we mentioned before in this video, kiwi contains high amounts of potassium and fiber, which means that this fruit is excellent for healthy heart. Let me ask you a question. What's the most essential dietary change that an individual can make to reduce their risk of cardiovascular disease? Well, that's easy. All you have to do is increase the potassium intake and decrease the sodium intake. And one last question, did you know that high potassium intake is also related with a reduced risk of stroke, protection against loss of muscle mass, preservation of bone mineral density, and reduction in the formation of kidney stones? Well, yes, and you can have all that. Just eat more kiwi fruits. Thank you for your time, and don't hesitate to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you and have a good day.
Eat a guava for 3 days and see what happens to your body. Nowadays, people pay lots of attention on what they eat and how many calories they intake. Did you know how miraculous a guava is? It provides you with an abundance of vitamin A, vitamin B and nutrients, but it also has a list of some even more practical reasons attached to it. Here are only 10 things that will happen to your body if you start eating a guava a day. 1. Immune support. Guava is actually right kind of fruit to help you boost your immunity. The pollution and levels of toxicity we are exposed to every day make our immune systems full of every kinds of toxic material. Just eat a guava. It is going to increase the vitamin C in your body and help you have a stronger immune system. 2. Lowers the risk of cancer. The antioxidants present in the guava will help you neutralize the effect of free radicals in the body. These are radicals which cause cancer. 3. Benefits for the heart. Heart diseases are very common nowadays. A guava can definitely help you protect your heart from diseases and other illnesses. Guava and guava leaves contain nutrients which can help you protect your heart against high levels of cholesterol and triglyceride. Guavas also have a hypoglycemic effect on the body, which helps you keep your sugar levels in control. 4. Effective with diabetes. Guava is also extremely helpful in keeping control over your sugar levels. Guava juice would be the perfect choice for you. You can also eat the fruit or also make tea out of it. The result of this would be a better fiber intake as well as normal blood sugar levels. 5. Oral health. Guava possesses some anti-plaque properties, and guava paste will help you get rid of the germs which cause plaque. It's also excellent against toothaches. 6. Vision improvement. In order to improve your vision, you need vitamin A. Guava provides you with it. You reduce the chances of night blindness, and it also helps you in the protection of retinal cells. 7. Helps skin. Guavas are full of antioxidants and they can definitely help you with your wrinkles and skin aging. 8. Helps with diarrhea. Guavas can help you keep a check on your system and also fights dehydration issues. It's excellent against diarrhea. 9. Increases thyroid function. Thanks to copper in guava, it keeps a check on thyroid and your overall health as well. 10 Increases brain function. Guava contains not only vitamin A and C, but it also has vitamin B3 and vitamin B6. They both help in supporting brain functions better. Next time you're going shopping, find some organic guavas and buy them. You won't